welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you something completely different that I've never done before on video, which is how to make smoothies of whatever I have in the fridge. Sounds exciting, right? Let's go and see what I have. Pretty much the things that it's about to expire, but I want to make good use of it, you know? So follow me and see what's available or what's about to expire. These three ingredients, I'll be using the almond milk, well, coconut almond instead of cow's milk, and this banana, it's ripe enough, and I've got this, it's a pineapple yogurt which is about to expire tomorrow. So these three ingredients, I'll put them all in the blender and then we'll see what it tastes like. It's actually 1 glass of almond coconut milk. Pour it in. Chopping the bananas into small slices. All of the yogurt inside the blender. It's probably too much, but what the hell, I'll finish it all anyway. And then we start blending. It's not that thick actually, but let's see when I pour it. Well, it's got this taste. Let me taste it again. It's not that thick. It's taste of banana, a little bit of coconut, almond, and then a little bit of pineapple. Do you know what? It tastes a bit of everything. And I don't care if it tastes horrible, but as long as it's healthy, and I think all the ingredients just now, they seem pretty healthy. So, cheers! So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video and just try out yourself. Just look in your fridge and see what you have in your fridge that you can mix and match and it turn out to be healthy. Anyway, hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to press subscribe and that bell notification and like my video. Anyway, see you soon. Much love. Bye.